Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, I'm super excited to talk about a topic that's close to my heart: how to become a successful vlogger. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your vlogging game to the next level, I've got some great tips for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about passion. Vlogging requires a lot of time and effort, so it's important to choose a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's travel, beauty, tech, or food, make sure it's something you love and can talk about endlessly. When you're passionate about your content, it shows, and your audience will appreciate your enthusiasm. Next up is equipment. You don't need the most expensive gear to start, but having a good quality camera and microphone can make a big difference. Here's what I recommend. A decent camera with good video quality, a microphone for clear audio, and some basic lighting can go a long way in making your videos look and sound professional. Planning is key. Before you hit record, have a clear idea of what you want to say. Create an outline or script to keep your thoughts organized, and ensure you cover all the important points. Planning your content helps you stay on track and makes editing much easier. When it comes to filming, make sure you have good lighting and a clean background. Keep your shots steady, and don't be afraid to use different angles to make your video more dynamic. Editing is where the magic happens. Use editing software to cut out any mistakes, add music, and include fun effects. There are plenty of tutorials online to help you get started. Engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage viewers to like and subscribe. Building a community around your channel will keep people coming back for more. Remember, it's all about creating a connection with your audience. Lastly, be consistent and patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Set a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Keep creating, keep improving, and most importantly, have fun with it. Consistency and patience are key to growing your channel. So, there you have it. Those are my tips on how to become a successful vlogger. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.